Today we're going to be talking about something very important, but something we often overlook because it's so routine, and that's staying safe at the gas pump when you're fueling up your vehicle. Here are some safety precautions that can protect you, your vehicle, and those around you. As you approach the gas pump you're going to use, pull up and stop beside it so that your gas tank lid is approximately straight across from the pump handle. This way you won't have to stretch the hose very far, making it easier to use. Number 1, turn off your engine. First things first. Always turn off your engine before you start pumping gas. Leaving it on can increase the risk of a fire or explosion because gasoline fumes are highly flammable and can be sparked by static electricity. Just because it rarely ever happens doesn't mean it can't happen to you. Number 2, leave your phone in the car. Have you ever seen a sign at a gas station that says no cell phone use while fueling at the pump? At one time, it was thought that cell phone usage at a gas pump could give off an electrical charge that could ignite gas fumes and start a fire. But that was disproved many times over, and the only way a phone could start a fire would be if the cell phone batteries just happened to explode while you were at the pump. Highly unlikely. But cell phones can still cause other problems at the pump because they can be a distraction. While looking at your phone, you may forget to pull the fuel pump out of the fuel tank when you're done, or you could overfill your tank, or even just miss something important going on in your surroundings. All in all, unless you're using your phone to pay at the pump, put the phone down for a couple of minutes to focus on the task at hand. Number 3, take your keys out of the car and lock your doors. Taking a quick second to lock your doors can prevent thieves or other criminals from entering your vehicle from the passenger side when you're not paying attention. Protect yourself, your passengers, and your belongings. Number 4, ground yourself. When you get out of your car, sometimes you'll get shocked by sliding out of your seat, especially during cold or dry weather. So before you touch anything metal on or near the gas pump, such as the card reader, the keypad, the nozzle, discharge any static electricity you have by using your bare hand to touch a metal part of your car that's away from the gas cap. Touching the roof like I do or the door of your car works great and can prevent a spark near the fuel. Number 5, don't smoke or vape. Duh. Yes, don't smoke a cigarette or vape. This one explains itself. Fire plus gasoline equals something bad is going to happen. Even if you're vaping, put it out. The hot coil inside of it could ignite gasoline vapors. And under normal conditions, you can't see gas vapors. Just in case you're thinking you could look around and decide for yourself if it's safe. You can't. Number 6. Inspect the card reader. Gas stations have been notorious for being an easy place for thieves to insert a card skimmer to steal your card information. It's always wise to take a moment to inspect the card reader for anything that looks off. Giving the card reader a little tug or jiggle may help you tell if you're dealing with a card skimmer or an actual card reader. Number 7, stay with your car. Leaving your car unattended while allowing the pump to autofill your tank could result in a catastrophe. Even if the pump has always clicked off for you in the past when you lock the gas pump trigger, all it takes is one pump or fuel tank error to cause an overfill. Gas spills are a serious environmental, health, and safety risk and should be prevented at all costs. Monitoring the pump in your vehicle is a simple way to prevent a serious mess. Number 8, don't get back in your car while pumping gas. I know it's very tempting to go back inside to the comfort of your vehicle while fueling up, especially during cold weather. But getting back into and then out of your car again can cause a new buildup of static electricity, creating a possible hazard. If you absolutely have to get back in your car for some reason, such as, for example, you left your wallet inside or a child needs attention, then make sure again that when you do get out, you touch your car with a bare hand to get rid of any static electricity before you touch the gas pump handle. Ideally, you never get back in your car until your fueling is completed. Number 9. Look for the emergency shut-off button at your gas station and know where the fire extinguishers are located. If something does go wrong, like a spill or a fire, notify the station attendant immediately and step away. But if you have time, hit that emergency shut-off button. Number 10. Don't top off your tank. It's generally considered a bad practice. It can potentially damage your car's emission system by causing fuel spillage when the pump automatically shuts off at full capacity. This can also be a fire hazard and harm the environment. Number 11. Tap the fuel pump nozzle before you put it away. After your tank has been filled, it's a great idea to slowly remove the nozzle from the gas tank while tapping it inside the tank. to help any gas drip off into the tank and not outside of it. This is a good way to prevent gas spills on your skin, which can cause rashes or burns, or spills on the ground, which can be toxic to the environment. And you'll also be making sure you get every last drop of gas into your tank. Number 12. One last thing. Before you drive off, look over your shoulder or check your mirror and make sure you didn't leave the gas pump handle sticking out of your gas tank. It's very embarrassing to be seen dragging the pump hose behind you as you drive away. Follow these precautions every time you fuel up, and you'll minimize your risk, and you'll keep yourself and others safe. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and drive safe.